Hi, I'm Dave Zook. I'm the founder and partner here at Horizon Structures. We love talking to people about our chicken coops, and we're going to talk about our Quaker Combo chicken coop, one of our favorites. And the reason is you have a nice roomy house to house your chickens, and you have a nice roomy outside space, an enclosed space, and it'll keep your chickens happy for a long time. The interior space is roomy, it's well ventilated, it's well lit. You got several large windows on the front side. You got several laying boxes for your chickens with an outside access lid that you can go in there and get your eggs without getting all messy going into the chicken house. This chicken coop is perfect for the landowner with a small backyard, quarter acre, half acre, just enough of room to maneuver the chicken coop around to give your chickens fresh grass. It's also perfect for the small farmer, small farmette. Let's say you have a larger property, 5 to 10 acres, and you want to let your chickens run outside of the coop and the enclosed run. They can go in and out, they can come back into the coop, they can be safe at night. This model gives you the opportunity to add options like a full electric package. If you're in the Northeast, you may want a heat lamp in the wintertime. You can have your lights set up on timers to give your chickens more feeding time. Whether you're in the Northeast, the Southwest, or anywhere in the country, we have a chicken coop that'll fit your needs. Reach out to us today. Our friendly sales staff will be happy to help you.